guys, welcome to Clothing with Kynlee.
What you got there, Kynlee?
Slime.
Slime? What kind of slime is that?
It's a milkshake.
Ooh, a milkshake.
This is a purple berry slime.
Ooh, purple berry?
And this one
It
is
looks like grapes. Wait, let me see.
purple grapes.
Ooh, that actually looks cool. And what is that one?
And this one I got. And this is the kind of one that
Kiwi.
Kiwi. It's a kiwi one. Daddy's doing this one. I'm doing this one. Come on, let's get this one. Let's get this. Okay. Daddy, can you help me open this?
Yes, ma'am.
And this?
And
Ew. It feels like roller corn slime.
Unicorn slime?
It feels like the roller corn poop.
Oh yeah, I forgot you had unicorn poop one time. Oh no.
Daddy,
Oh.
Daddy, can I put this in this?
Yeah.
Oh. Ew.
Ew.
Come on. We're gonna have to take it out and it gets our hands slimy.
It is super slimy. Look at this stuff.
Yeah. Mine is not slimy.
This stuff is super sticky. Look.
Yours is super sticky, but mine, think this and mine is not sticky. Daddy, if you give that to me, my hands are going to get slimy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm done. Ew.
Does it look like I have a booger?
Yeah. Hey, Daddy, don't stick on there.
It won't stick on my face. Just my fingers. Oh, gotta go.
One come out. Two come out.
Did you open the bag?
No, it was already open.
Oh. Okay. Is mine open? Mine's not open.
Mine is open.
Oh, gotta go.
I think you should open it more, Daddy.
Let me see you do it.
Me open it?
Yeah, I think you can do it. You can figure it out. You're a big girl. Actually, let me see. Because that can make a mess.
Yeah.
All right?
This one.
Get them all in there. Get them all over the floor. Oh, gotta go. You think you shake it or something? This thing doesn't come with instructions, huh?
But good that we watched a video about it.
Yeah. Oh, gotta go.
I like how these feel. Daddy, now we're going to have to take it out and smush it.
No, push it in like that. Like, what, you see what I'm doing?
Our hands are going to get sticky.
It's okay.
Ew.
Yo. Uh-oh.
See what I was talking? What about we just shake it?
It won't just shake. Look. Ew. Oh, gotta go.
I just want to play with it right now. Oh, Daddy.
Put your hand in there and grab it.
Yeah. It has some. Yo, that's young. That tastes real. That feels real. Yeah. Let me put it back in. I'm not going to wash.
This stuff is super sticky.
I know what I should put next. Oh. Daddy, guess what?
What?
We can do with it.
Come to play with it.
Daddy, guess what we could do with it? Who's that guy that Daddy tries to catch?
I have no idea. You tell me. Adley tries to catch a guy?
Yeah. Remember, he's little and he always likes coins in green and yellow.
No, I don't.
So,
A leprechaun?
yeah, the leprechaun.
He likes green and yellow?
Yeah. And Daddy, he would like that. He would like that. The green. Mine is still.
You got a mixers like me. Look, I'm getting dirty.
Okay.
Hurry before mommy gets home because she's not going to let you get dirty.
Yeah.
Don't get it in your hair though.
You almost got it.
I almost got it in your hair. Here, put them. Put them.
Ew. Ew.
I'm trying to move your hair.
Ew.
Ew. Ew, come on. Ew.
Ew. Ew.
What, you don't like slime?
I do. It's just so sticky. I tried to make like a yucky face.
Look, I'm getting all over the floor.
Look what I'm doing. Oh, mine is super sticky. Daddy, feel mine? Never mind. We will mix it.
Yeah, I can't feel yours.
They will mix it up. I got some on the table.
Uh-oh.
Oh no!
Oh no. Oh no.
Ew. Ew.
Oh no, 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 no.
Ew.
Kynlee. This slime is crazy. Whose idea was this?
That was your idea.
Are you sure? I don't know about this. Look.
You got it, Dad.
Eating me.
Ew, I'm sticky.
Oh no. What do you think mommy's gonna say when she sees us like this?
I don't know. My hand is going to get so. Oh my god. I think I know what. How are we going to go to bed?
I don't know. How are we gonna go poop?
How are we going to go to stores?
With slime like this?
No, they're going to think we stole it.
They're gonna think we stole the slime?
Yeah. How about we go to restaurants to eat?
I have to eat, Kynlee.
Me too.
I have to eat.
Me too.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What?
No, I'm scared.
Why?
'Cause I have to eat. I'm hungry.
You hungry right now?
Yes. I have to eat. I have to eat.
Ah!
I have to eat.
Oh, you just have. I think I know.
Think you know what? You think you can get it off your hands? You still have all yours in there. Yuck.
Yuck, yuck.
Yuck.
I think I know what she said that we could do. So when we eat food, we can like, yeah, yum, yum.
And you're gonna eat the slime?
No. Ew.
Oh no.
Oh no, Mommy's gonna be mad at us. Oh, this was your idea to get these.
Oh, now it's my idea?
Yeah.
I think it's your idea.
No,
You just don't want to get in trouble by mommy. Huh?
It was your idea to get these. To buy them.
I don't know about that. I think it was your idea.
No, you buy them.
I just wanted the balloon dog. You wanted the turtle, the poopy turtle, and the one that poops everywhere, and you wanted the doggy that pees everywhere. You like messy toys, you know that?
Yeah. But that's not the messy toy. Put that in there. Are you taking it off? I'm going to keep playing it.
I'm gonna take it off to try to help you with yours,
Yeah.
cause you need to mix yours a little more.
It's mine. Okay, I can grab some. Ah! Stick. Get all that slime. Yuck. Yuck. Mommy's not gonna like this.
Mama's gonna like it.
No, she's not gonna like it.
So sad.
You got them, and I was.
Oh, don't blame it on me.
You got them, and I was the one that think to do this video.
Oh yeah, I know you did.
Ah! Shouldn't got these. I shouldn't not got these.
Why? It's actually kind of cool,
Oh yeah, it is.
right? It's just a little messy.
It's a lot of messy. Daddy, I did it.
Nice.
Ah.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Keep mixing it.
You.
It's not that bad, Kynlee.
Yes, it is.
No, look. Once you put water on it, it comes off.
I put it on my arm.
Whoa, you're full of it though.
Mine is super sticky.
I kind of got it all over the floor and the stools.
I got it all over the table. Do I have to keep mixing it?
Yeah, you have to keep mixing it.
I think we're done doing these slime videos.
You think you're done with slime
I
videos?
just want to move my hands. Ow, I don't want my hands to feel like this.
Oh my goodness, you're getting it all over the table.
I see. How well it do it. Yeah! Get my hands. Yeah. Yeah. Can
me help you.
I'm sticky, I don't know. I'm going to be free.
Are you free? Do you feel better yet?
No.
Are you feeling a little bit better?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit?
Like,
We made a mess.
oh, mommy, like this mess. And we're going to have to shower to our hands and get the hands more sticky again. Daddy, you won't get sticky.
You look like a slime monster.
And now it's
Are you a slime monster?
no. Slime just went all over the place. My hand is sticky. Oh no, mommy's here! Mommy's here!
You're gonna get in trouble.
No.
You're gonna get in trouble.
Oh my god. Oh, mommy's not going like this.
It's okay though, you know why? Because when Nana gets here, she won't let Mama get mad at us. On the video, she's gonna see your video. Say hi, Nana.
Hi, Mama.
Oh no.
Every time you pick this up.
You gotta work on it. Figure it out.
My hands are going to be stickier and stickier and stickier. Oh.
Look. See how I'm rubbing it down like that?
Mine's coming off a little bit. Oh!
Bye, guys!
Bye, guys.
Hurry, run,
Run.
hurry! I want to run!